been doing over the weekend, I built this cabinet next to the refrigerator. These are maybe 3 doors that I took from the existing cabinets. Stained the mats down there. So, like that. And I enclosed the refrigerator. This still needs quite a bit of work, but it's enclosed. This corner here will be rounded to match that corner there, but I need to let it dry before I can take the screws out. Put a block on the inside, and then I have a big router bit that I can trim that so it's round. There, not sure about this joint here yet, but we'll figure it out. Around the cabinet, the new cabinet. One of the things I don't think I've talked about yet, this space here, actually I've talked about the space, but I don't know what to do with this space. This is going to be a pop-up microwave. So that microwave will go up and down there. That way that hole will not be a bunch of dead space that's not usable. That piece of plywood. Some other things I've been doing, we go down into the engine room. So this corner was pretty tore up. Well, tore up's not the right word. There was an old heater that was in that corner over there. So I built these panels out of marine plywood and then just painted them. So I replaced all of the water lines coming from the tanks. They tee together right there, right there. The new water pump comes into the water pump there through the strainer, comes out of the water pump, goes up to an accumulator, tees off the accumulator on the bottom, comes up into this water filtration system. There's a strainer at the front and then 3 different water filters, and the last one's a charcoal filter system, and goes into this Viga Manablock PEX distribution line. So each fitting or fixture will have its own valve. So if there's a problem in the galley sink, for example, I just come down and I close the galley sink line. Comes out of the top. Comes out of the top of that block, comes over, goes down into this heater. Will come out hot water. The hot water side of the manifold. This is an ITR, International Thermal Research heater. Hurricane Chinook, it's called. It's a 50,000 BTU furnace, or hydronic heater. It's got electric capability to add another 10,000 BTU. So I'll be installing that. It's basically just screwed to this new plate, a shelf basically. Nothing has been installed.